Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
I feel like Scooby-Doo, like a dog. Eat the best like Scooby snacks, then I go hard. Girl, drop your man, cause I'll take you far. She drop it too.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl KJ. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys something I got from the Gates, and I'm excited because I ain't have to pay for it. So yeah, if you guys are interested into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. You already know the deal. Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl KJ, and if you guys are new here, hi, my name is KJ. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and also so you guys can be a part of the realest gang, you feel me? So yeah, let's go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Okay, I ain't gonna do too much talking because I'm excited for myself to see what we got. Okay, and I think I know what it is, but let's just go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Okay, okay y'all, so this is the package right here, and I'm gonna just go ahead and open it. I ain't gonna do too much talking. It has my address on the front, so we ain't gonna disclose that, you feel me? So I'm gonna just open it. I got my scissors. Hold on, wait a minute. I don't want to rip it, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and rip it. Okay. Ooh. Okay, hold on, wait. I almost forgot, y'all. I almost forgot. Hold on. I gotta record for TikTok too. Knowing me, I would be mad if I don't. Okay. I hate when it has exposure. Okay, so okay, so this is, I got a package. Okay, so I already opened it. Oh yeah, this is what I think it is. So this is what it looks like. Okay, this is what the box looks like. Boom, bam. This is what it looks like. It come in this type of box. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it, and inside is the real stuff. It's the real stuff. Okay y'all, so this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, and I'm gonna take it out. Boom, bam, chicken and ham. Okay, this is what the box looks like. AirPod Pros. Okay, legit. Okay, it looks legit, don't it? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it now. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna just open it on the sides. I'm trying not to cut myself. Ugh. And all the information on these will be in the description box below, so definitely check them out. Okay, so this is what the box looks like, and I'm just gonna open it. I got nails on, so it's kind of hard to open. Oh my goodness, who finna be all day with this? Hold on, because I got other stuff to do. I promise y'all, it's not hard to open, but I have nails on. If you got nails on, then that's a whole nother situation. Okay, we got it going. Oh my goodness, that always happens. So we have the AirPods here. Okay, period. All right, so what comes in the box is, I don't like how it has an exposure here, but what comes in the box is the this thing here. What is this called? Like the directions and stuff, and then you have some manual stuff. Then you have the actual AirPod Pros. This is what they look like. I just got to take off the plastic. And then you have on the inside of this, you have the charger. Okay, charger, period. And then you also have the headphones, like the replaceable earbuds here. Yeah, you have the replaceable earbuds here, and that's it in the box. That's it. Okay, so that's it for the inside of the box. These are just, and they just show you, they give you like 2 sizes, small ones and big ones, depending on how you feel about them. Me personally, I think I like the small ones better. So yeah, and then you have the AirPods. So let's just see what the AirPod is talking about. But I like to keep my space clean, so let me go ahead and yeah. So this is the information, the instructions and stuff like that. It just says AirPod Pros on it, and just has like instructions on the back and stuff like that. So yeah, we're just gonna put that back in there. Okay, because we're gonna need something else. So this is the box. I usually don't keep the box, but hey. Also, this is what came in the exposure. This is what came in the box as well. This is just their information, their thank you card, and everything like that. This is what the brand is about, their information, and then you also have more information on the back, and they also have a QR code as well, information as well, just telling you how to use it. And yeah, so they also sell other things like luxury shoes, information like that, so they give you the information right there. They also have a TikTok account, a Facebook, and a YouTube, and I think an Instagram, and so on, right? And if you guys have a WhatsApp, they also have that as well. So yeah, this is their information. So yeah, so the big reveal. Alright y'all, so the big reveal, I know y'all are waiting for this, so I'm going to use my iPhone and connect it to it, and I'm going to go to my settings so I can connect it, and I just went to that. So we're going to go to Bluetooth. So we're going to connect these. Okay, so I have so many AirPods, it's ridiculous. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. I'm going to open it up now, and we're going to see. So it popped up AirPod Pros, and I'm going to click on it, and I think I'm supposed to click on the back if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I need to be charged. The case is 20%. Okay, and the AirPods is 100. Okay, cool. I can vibe out for a minute. Okay, cool. Turn off until tomorrow. No, that's fine. It can stay on. Okay, so AirPod Pros, we're going to connect them. I don't know why my other ones are they, what the heck, why does it say KJ AirPod Pros number 2? number 2. Oh, so whatever is connected, that's connected. Okay, so get started. Oh, come on now. I did. This is what I be talking about. Girl, wait for do this. Cancel. Okay. So we ain't gonna do this. Okay, so I think they're connected, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they're connected. So they're the KJ AirPod Pros number 2. Dang, it's an echo. Okay, let me put this down real quick. I put both of them on. And noise cancellation. A plus. Okay, cool. I can't hear nothing. So I'm gonna go to my YouTube and we're gonna play something. It's gonna play something. It don't matter. We're gonna play my song. We're gonna play my song. Let's see. It's a commercial. All these commercials now. So this is mid, and I could hear it. Friend, he understands. So if I want to cut it up, I'm gonna go ahead, and that's not all the way up. He understands. Okay, so let me cut it all the way up. It's gonna start over. Dang, it's loud. I have a friend, he understands. I have a friend, he understands. Okay, y'all. I like it. I like it. And I'm probably loud because I can't hear. So, okay. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Let me. I give it a 10 out of 10. I do gotta charge it though. I give these a 10 out of 10. It's loud. It's loud. It's loud. It's giving loud. Yo. Okay, period. Okay. I like these. Yes, honey. Yes. Go ahead, copy some. The link will be in my bio. AirPod Pros. And I think I got 2 of them in there. So, yeah. Get your soul. Because, baby, they loud and proud, honey. They loud and proud. Loud and proud. Noise cancellation. I like it. Yeah. So, these will be in my bio. These will be in my description box below. So, definitely check them out. And I will have other things as well. If y'all looking for some other stuff, they'll be in my description box as well. So, yeah. And, yeah. I think I'm gonna vibe out to these. For real. But I'm about to charge them first. Like, charge the case. But I'm about to vibe out. So, don't be discouraged when it comes in a box like this. Don't be discouraged, because I bought AirPods with my own money, and baby, they came in boxes like this, and I was just like, no, y'all didn't just jip me, bro, until I had to open it, and it was my AirPods. I'm like, don't play with me, because I'll show you, like, because these look like something you get from Walmart or Amazon or eBay. Like, I ain't knocking it, but I don't like these. Like, what? No. So yeah, that's it. This see, hey, okay. I'm excited. Okay, y'all. Okay, so yeah, once again, these will be in my description box below if y'all want to check them out. Yeah, okay, and everything, all the information will be on the screen, so check it out, but it'll also be linked in my description box below. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in my next one. Alright y'all, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. You already know the deal, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.